So, a pleasant day to everyone. I am Tandang from BS Ed Social Studies 3C, and today I am excited to share with you my interview with a third-year student from the science major. So, our interview focused on the integration of our specializations into one class, specifically on the topic of environmental sustainability and climate change. So, let me explain how this topic can be incorporated in our majors. First, in social studies, students can learn about the impact of human activities on our environment, the importance of sustainable development, and the global efforts to combat climate change. We also explore contemporary issues related to climate change in the Philippines. On the other hand, in science, students study the science behind climate change, including the greenhouse effect, global warming, and the consequences on ecosystems and human populations. And before we proceed to the 3 questions I prepared, let me introduce my colleague from the science major, Miss Eva Pancil.
Hi, hello, mabuhay. I am Eva Angelica Panciles, studying Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Science 3D.
And now, let's dive into the questions. What topic do you think would be suitable for the science subject in this collaboration?
As a science student and a future educator, I'm full aware our situation in regards of climate change. Climate change is one of our biggest threats and biggest problem, not only our country, but also the whole world. The science subject, suitable topic to explore would be the impacts of climate change on the biodiversity of the Philippines. This topic would allow students to delve into the scientific aspects of climate change and its effects on the unique ecosystems and biodiversity of the Philippines. They can study the specific species and habitats that are at risk due to climate change, the potential consequences for ecological balance, and the importance of conservation efforts.
Then second, if we were to collaborate, how do you envision integrating this topic into the students' learning experience?
Who is inclined in science field, I envision integrating this topic into the students' learning experiences. By integrating this topic, we can adapt an interdisciplinary approach.
For our last question, what specific activity can we integrate for our students? So, Ms. Ong and I have come up with a group activity that can help students understand the real-life consequences of climate change. In this activity, students can work in groups and simulate different scenarios that showcase the potential impacts of climate change on various regions or ecosystems. By participating in this activity, students will develop a deeper understanding of the tangible effects of climate change and the urgency of taking action. They will also cultivate empathy and critical thinking skills as they explore the complex interactions between climate change, ecosystems, and human societies. So that concludes our interview session for today. Once again, I am Tandang and I am with Ms. Eva Panciles. We hope that through this video, we can raise awareness about the importance of integrating environmental sustainability and climate change in our educational system. Together, we can inspire students to become active advocates for a sustainable future. If you have any questions or thoughts about our interview or the topic of our environmental sustainability and climate change, feel free to share them. Thank you!